But in any case, if you take this off and you need to realign that groove there and there, well, the best way I found to do this, and there might be others, but I put my bolts in here loosely like this, just the top two for now, and then just kind of like that, just get them kind of threaded in there in place. And then you have this thing here, which is called a wake-up dongle. This device here will help kind of reset things. It's used for other things too, but basically the idea is you need to hold your throttle at half throttle. I don't think it has to be perfectly, but I just marked no throttle, wide open, and then halfway between. So you hold the throttle half open, and then wait. Then plug this in, then wait 10 seconds, and then once you release the throttle, put gentle pressure on this, and as that motor rotates, it'll align with the valve, okay? And once that happens, then it'll kind of reset itself. I probably would do that process once more after this is actually mounted up, just to make sure everything's kosher. But that is the way to do that. Now, if you go ahead and reprogram your ECU, put a new one of these in or put a programmer on of any kind, then you should reset this as well. And that's the same process. You half throttle there, plug in the wake-up dongle, and then wait 10 seconds. This little device here comes with the bike. It's usually in a little plastic bag that comes along with a few other accessories. But anyways, there's the process. All right, so there's a little coordination with this process. First step, throttle halfway, plug in the dongle here to this wire. You hear a little click in your electronics as you do that. Click. Change that to hold with this hand here. And then hold that for 10 seconds. Once I let go, I'm going to place gentle pressure on this to help it align with the exhaust valve as it resets. So here we go. I'm going to let go. There we go. Good. Okay. And you hear a little bit of clicking. Now I started these bolts because otherwise this motor may actually rotate the whole housing. Okay. So now we're in place. And I'll go ahead and tighten these. And just to be careful, make sure everything is reset correctly, I'm going to repeat that process once more once this is completely installed. Okay?